Hello and welcome back to the Thin Blue Lane. This is Bill, and that's
Nancy.
That's right. Today we're opening up what I hope is a new modem that we're going to try with a SIM card that was sent to us by Nomad. Because the Nomad SIM package, SIM-only package, is a lot cheaper than the modem package that they sent us. Plus, the modem they sent us is really basic. This is not basic. This is the fastest gigabit LTE mobile router you can buy. This was referred to us by several people, but most importantly by RV Kids TV. I used his link to purchase this. I'll also have a link if you want to purchase it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. It'll support up to 20 devices. I'm going to use it to replace that modem that they sent us from Nomad. I'm going to take a SIM card they sent us to put into the Togo, which does not work, and stick it in here and pray that it does work. Otherwise, we're going to be down even longer while we wait for them to send us another SIM card. Now, we are using Nomad with the modem they sent us. It is working. So we're not totally without internet right now. And there it is. It's very small. Should be a rather large battery in here. Yeah, this thing can work. I think they said it can work 12 to 14 hours just without any power, just off this battery. And because this is such a large battery, that's why the device is really as large as it is. And it also has a lot of digital features on it. To let you know what's actually happening, what's going on in the modem. Before I put the battery in, I'm going to read the directions because I want to know if I put the SIM card in first or later. And this also comes with, of course, a power, which has the USB type connector, which I really like. The reason I already knew what was going to be in this box is I've watched hundreds of other people watch their videos. And this, of course, is the charger for this device. I bought a kit. When I bought this, I didn't just buy the modem. I also bought this. This came with it. This is basically an antenna that goes on the window. It's a MIMO antenna. It's called the Netgear Air Card MIMO antenna for 3G, 4G Air Card, USB modems, and mobile hotspots. And what this does is you can put this in the window at the best possible place. In our case, would be the back window right here for T-Mobile. And we also ordered a King. Basically a WeBoost rebranded as King, and that antenna will be mounted on the ladder when we get it, and that's on its way. And I'm debating whether to keep this little $40 item or keep that $500 item. If this one does just as good, we won't keep the other one. But everyone knows that the internet is important, so you cannot. I mean, our business is YouTube now, so we are going to need all the support we can get and need everything to work perfectly. I will keep you abreast on how this works. I'll boot it up and after I read the directions and everything, and I'll get back to you guys. Thank you. All right, this modem came in. It's sitting right there. Nomad didn't work, but I went to T-Mobile, bought a SIM card. Stuck it right in. Instant. No problems. No drama. It's taking us weeks. This just came today. This will work even out in the middle of nowhere. It's called the King Extend LTE Cell Booster. Works with all carriers, reliable signal and faster data, extended cell coverage, phone coverage, no additional contract. Works in RVs, trucks, travel trailers, ice houses, horse trailers, boats, and other mobile applications. This is the King Extend LTE Cell Signal Booster. Expand your own cell service coverage. Powerful external antenna expands your LTE cell coverage. Your LTE cell signal is boosted up to 32 times inside your vehicle. 3 Connect. Sleek inside antenna connects to your device to a boosted LTE signal. Maximize your cell signal. Maximize your ability to receive strong LTE cell signal and stay connected. Everything you need inside this box. A booster, the outside antenna, inside antenna, 20 feet of cable, a mounting bracket, ladder or pole mounting hardware, AC/DC power supply, and instructions. First thing out of the box is the LTE cell signal booster manual. Okay, here's the external antenna. It's just a lightweight little thing, and it is omnidirectional, so I don't have to go outside and aim it. That was the key thing for me. I do not have to go outside, and it's powered by WeBoost. Yep, right there it says it. So you don't have to go outside and aim it. It gets mounted on the ladder upstairs on the roof. It only raises it up above, not even above the height of the air conditioners. There's an alternative way of mounting it to a pole. Give us a lot of cable here. Oh, this is the indoor booster, and then this is the indoor transmitter. This will actually transmit the signal received by the antenna, goes into that thing there, this thing here, and then it would go into the computer or television or whatever it is you are doing. Today we're going to be installing this King cell phone booster onto this ladder right here.
Okay, right there's good enough so I can hand you this, because then I'm too short and I can't give it to you. Almost fell on my head. Please don't kill yourself.
Nancy,
Yes?
how'd it go?
I don't like climbing on the roof. It's high, but I think it went okay.
What I did was I mounted that up there on the antenna on the roof right there. And then we ran the line into the garage here through this corner, just temporarily. You can see it right up there. On the back, you can see the ladder there. We put the WeBoost or the King extender on the ladder temporarily. So the line comes in through here, comes down to here into that, and then this little guy runs over to this antenna, which is right here. And then we have our Netgear. Let me show you something. 4 bars right there. When we were getting 2. There, 5 bars. Sitting next to the King antenna, I'm getting 5 bars. If I come over here and I sever the power, okay, the King is off. There's no power. Look at the bars. But take my word for it, that says 2 bars. Take this, which I plugged into the entertainment center. Plug that in, you get a green light. Doesn't take long. We're going to probably mount that, either Velcro it or whatever right there. I don't like drilling holes. Look at the Netgear, 4 bars. It was 2. And if you leave that on for a minute, it will get to 5. I ran a speed test. It's showing a ping of 42, a download speed of 21.39, and an upload speed of 9.28. I ran a similar test here, and I've got 33 ping, 22 download, and 17.81 megabits per second upload. What a phenomenal increase. And our thing does broadcast out as Thin Blue Lane RV YouTube. So if you pick that up in a campground somewhere, that's us. Now you're going to see this live. I'm going to run this right in front of you. .31 ping. Anything around 30 is great for gaming. 30 or less. It's an upload speed of 24.32. Or download speed. I always do that backwards. It's got a download speed of 24.32 megabits per second. And right now we are uploading at 21.35 megabits per second unbelievable improvement, drastic improvement over previous results. Let's see if I can pull up some of those previous results. The last one I have here is a 42 ping and a 31 ping, a 21 download, a 24 download, a 9 upload, a 21 upload. I know it doesn't seem like you want your download speeds to be good because that's what you want, but when you're a YouTuber, you need that upload speed too.
Looks like Bill is ready for me to film. He's waiting for me over there. Oh, you can see me on there. Hi, guys. Let's reduce the glare. Oh, you can still see me in there.
Try that with part 2, dog. It is high up here.
I know. Now jump.
This thing just needs power. The power. You don't know the power of the dark side. If I put this here, it'll reach the modem if I mount it right there.
Oh. Oh, you so smart. Oh, you smart. You are.